Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include parking assist system, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, blind spot monitor, pedestrian alert system. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2022 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.